So students, diffusion. Diffusion word you must have heard, earlier also, but I just want to explain you further because this diffusion action also takes place, in the cell. हमारे cells में भी ये action होता है diffusion का. अगर मैं एक simple example लूँ, when you do prayer, prayer, what happens? You put some धूप और या अगरबत्ती at your home and you keep it in one corner. तो धूप से जो भी फ्रेगनेंस अराइज होती है, यू मस्ट हैव सीन के वो फ्रेगनेंस धीरे धीरे इट स्प्रेड्स इन द कंप्लीट रूम, isn't it? जो उसकी जो अरोमा पूरे रूम में स्प्रेड होती है, यू कैन वेरी इजीली फील दैट बिकॉज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दैट इज राइजिंग फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट, सोर्स पॉइंट, एंड देन इट इज स्प्रेडिंग थ्रू आउट द रूम. तो आप दूसरे कॉर्नर पे भी होगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा बिकॉज दैट इज diffusing in the air which is present in the room, and that's why the particles, they are transferring this energy form of the gaseous energy form from one point to another point. Okay, well, let's return back to the point diffusion in case of cells. I just want to say that it's a spontaneous movement of a substance, and this substance can be solid, liquid, or gas, anything, from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Then this is called as diffusion. Always diffusion क्या होगा, ज़्यादा high concentration से lower concentration की तरफ ही होगा. अगर इसका example मैं बताऊँ आप लोगों को diffusion का, so just take an example of carbon dioxide. Now what happens, एक्चुअली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हम लोगों के लिए क्या हो गया, इट इज लाइक अ सेल्यूलर वेस्ट. हमारे लिए सेल्यूलर वेस्ट हो गया. दैट मीन्स हमारे सेल के लिए जो वेस्ट है, वी जस्ट एक्सक्रीट इट आउट. ओके, now how it happens, actually this is need to be taken out from our cells, so it accumulates in higher concentration inside the cell. When the cells work, the CO2 accumulates because we give out CO2. ठीक है. Now in the cell's external environment, the concentration of CO2 is lowered as compared to inside the cell. So what happens? This CO2 will move from a higher concentration level to a lower concentration level. Okay, so it comes out of the cell, and this process is known as diffusion. Okay, so again keep in mind, when the level or the concentration of a level is higher at one side, it will move from a higher level to lower level. Similarly, what happens when we take in oxygen? So what happens, suppose our cells are working hard enough and they are starving of oxygen, and oxygen is comparatively more in the external environment, then it will take in that oxygen from the external environment, and that is how the concentration of O2 inside the cell will increase. And similarly, this action will go on repeating one after the other. Okay, and one thing I just want to tell you people, you have feel it, you have seen it happening, that diffusion is faster in case of gases than in liquids and then in solids. Okay, so it plays an important role in the gaseous exchange between the cells and also between the cell and its external environment. And people, please keep in mind that in addition of the gaseous exchange, diffusion also helps as organisms in obtaining nutrition from the environment, as in the case of amoeba, like the pseudopods were helping in to take in the engulf in the food. Okay, so दैट वॉज ऑल अबाउट डिफ्यूजन. ये हो गया डिफ्यूजन के बारे में. नाउ व्हाट इज ऑस्मोसिस? आप लोगों ने, आपके घर में फिल्टर्स भी लगे हुए, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड दिस वर्ड, दैट आरओ लगा हुआ है हमारे घर, दैट इज रिवर्स ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस. रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस है ना. सो व्हाट इज इट एक्चुअली? दिस ऑस्मोसिस इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, कीप दिस पॉइंट इन माइंड. ठीक है, water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane along the concentration gradient is called osmosis. Fine. Now actually here what happens, there is movement of water across the plasma membrane is also affected by the amount of substance dissolved in the water. So osmosis is defined as the movement of the water molecules from a region of the high concentration to a region of the lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, and the unicellular fresh water organisms and most plant cells they tend to gain the water through osmosis, because water has oxygen atom also in it. So they tend to, these organisms, you know, of the fresh water, they will be taking water in order to get uh, their uh, their oxygen content from it. Okay, so I you know, in sequence of it, I just want to tell you people that absorption of the water by the plant roots, ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस. कीप दिस इन माइंड. कुछ क्वेश्चंस इस तरीके से फ्रेम होते हैं. आई गिव यू सम एग्जाम्पल कि अगर ये प्रोसेस है, दिस इज डिफ्यूजन और दिस इज ऑस्मोसिस, दिस इज डिफ्यूजन और दिस इज ऑस्मोसिस. लाइकवाइज देयर कैन बी मेनी सिचुएशंस. ओके, so the absorption of water by the plant's root is an example of osmosis. And you know, the process of osmosis can be seen in a cell placed in a solution of different concentrations. Now the solution of different concentrations, jinko I'll be explaining to you people, they can be hypertonic solutions, isotonic solutions, and hypertonic solution. Hypertonic. Okay, so there are three types of solutions we have. If I'll take this first one, that is hypotonic solution. अगर हम पहले इसमें ले लेते हैं, there are three types of solutions. पहला ले लिया हमने hypotonic solutions. Okay, so if I talk of the hypotonic solution, basically here, you know, the medium or solution surrounding the cell, medium or solution surrounding the cell has a high concentration, you can say, has a high concentration as compared to inside of the cell. ठीक है, मतलब इसका कहने का आपको, they are explaining to you that when your cell actually gain water and swells up by endosmosis. ठीक है, कोई भी सेल है, it will gain water from outside. ठीक है, और वो बिल्कुल सेल अगर में पानी भर जाएगा तो it will swell up. So that process is what? Endosmosis. It is endosmosis, and this happens because the water molecules are free to pass through the cell membrane and in both the directions. ठीक है, दोनों डायरेक्शन में आ सकते हैं. More water however enters the cell, you know, then that leaving it, इतना उससे निकल नहीं रहा होगा जितना कि उसमें एंटर हो रहा होगा. Such kind of condition is, you know, said to be a hypotonic solution. अगर hypotonic solution ये है, then what is a hypertonic solution? ठीक है, hypertonic में क्या होगा? If I talk about hypertonic solution, so what happened actually, the medium which is surrounding a cell has got a lower concentration of water than the cell. Then the cell, water जो cell के अंदर होगा. ठीक है, so that means कि outside जो solution है वो ज़्यादा कैसा है, it is concentrated more. ठीक है, so now what will happen, water crosses the cell membrane in both directions, but this time more water will leave the cell. इस वाले में पानी सेल से ज़्यादा बाहर आता है, but this time I am saying that it will be leaving the cell instead of entering the cell. ठीक है, so as a result cell का जो प्रोटोप्लाज्म होता है वो श्रिंक होने लगता है. तो इसको आप एक्सोस्मोसिस भी कहते हो. Exosmosis, this was endosmosis, this was exosmosis. And then next come the last one, which is isotonic. Isotonic solution में क्या होता है ना, actually here in isotonic solution, keep in mind one thing, that the medium which is surrounding the cell has same concentration of water as that which is present inside the cell. So the water which is crossing the cell membrane in both the directions, you know, and that is taking place in equal amounts. Basically जितना enter हो रहा है उतना ही क्या हो रहा है, इसके अंदर जा रहा है, उतना ही सेल से बाहर भी आ रहा होगा. ठीक है, so water crosses the cell membrane in both directions, and but the amount moving in remains the same as the amount moving out. Okay, so there is no overall movement of water. Okay, and also keep in mind that the result of this is that there is no overall change observed and the cell size remains same. ठीक है, सेल साइज सेम रहता है. I'll be giving you a link to study this. You know, there's a animated short movie associated with this. This will surely help you to understand hypertonic, hypertonic and isotonic solution. Do watch that alongside my explanation. Okay, so thank you everyone. We'll continue the organelles in the upcoming lectures.